May I request our principal, Sister Laila, to say a word of welcome to the parent body.
Good evening, one and all. Our respected chief guests, Dr. Mrs. Shahani, dear parents, students, and friends. A warm welcome to each of you present here this beautiful evening. Thank you, Dr. Mrs. Shahani, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. It is rightly said that education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents. This evening's presentation is tangible proof of this. Dear parents, you are the reason for this musical. You have made Anne's dream a possible reality by your supporting our endeavors with your generosity. You have most certainly set Anne's on the next platform of growth. The cathartic effect of drama in education echoes the deepest emotion and expressions of the character's personality, besides providing an excellent opportunity for working together. For some of our Annites here, this may be their first and last experience. Yet for others, it may be the beginning of many more. However, in the last analysis, it is the experience that counts. This experience will certainly add to the lovely and treasured memories of their alma mater, something to cherish in their last years. So a real big thank you to the entire training team and the cast for this musical production of The Wizard of Oz. Thank you and enjoy our presentation this evening.
Thank you, sister. It has been said that the real aim of education is not confined to any textbook learning, but includes many other areas which import an overall excellence in their child's life. Hard work, perseverance, and toil are what it took to put together this all-time favorite musical, The Wizard of Oz. It is a classic example of how good triumphs over evil. So sit back and relax as we transport you to the magical world of Oz. St. Anne's presents The Wizard of Oz.
So much work. You know, actually, I'm not doing anything. I'm yet tired.
Dorothy! Dorothy!
Looking for Dorothy, Aunt Em. I don't know where she is, but if you want, I could help you in finding her.
I know you're just finding excuses to escape work. Don't you bother. I'll find her. Dorothy! Dorothy!
No sign of her yet, Em.
Don't know what takes that girl so long to be from school. She's slower than a three-legged turtle.
Well, if she ain't here soon, I'll send Zach to fetch her.
Henry? Henry? You think it's coming for sure?
I don't like to look at the sky, Em.
It looks awful, doesn't it?
I don't like to look at it at all.
We need to trace that girl.
Zach! You! Go and look for Dorothy and move!
But why me, sir?
Can't you see we're getting a twister before us?
A twister? How can I go,
Oh,
sir?
do you say it like that? Move!
Hold it a minute, Zach. I think I can see her. Dorothy! Dorothy!
Yes, Aunt Em, I'm coming!
That's her.
Zach, where's our Ganekri?
I don't know. I think they were in the backyard. Mending the wagon.
Mending the wagon? Go and call them immediately. It's better we put things in place before the twister hits us. Now move! Move!
Yes, sir.
Oh, Aunt Em! Aunt Em, I'm here, Aunt Em! Oh, hello, Aunt Em.
Where have you been, miss?
Nowhere. I'm right back here after school.
Don't you tell me that. I know you have been playing with that stray dog of yours again.
Aunt
Now,
Em,
can't you see the sky? I think a tornado is coming our way. Please get to work.
but Aunt Em, if you just... Oh, Uncle Henry. Dorothy, don't you worry. I'll do what I can.
Hold the thing.
Oh, Em, don't scold that poor girl. She's a poor little orphan. You know she really ought to have someone to play with.
Henry, you know I love her. But she's growing up now. She can't be thinking of a world beyond the rainbow.
Ouch! You got my finger! Oh, Hunk, are you okay?
Well, why don't you just use your brains and get your finger out of the way? What is your head made out of? Straw?
Well, I didn't think you were going to hit it instead of the wheel.
The man's in pain, Hickory. Have a heart.
Oh, it feels like my joints are rusted.
Say, what's the matter, Dorothy? You can't be this upset about my finger.
Oh, Hunk, what am I to do about Mrs. Gulch?
The woman from the farm to the west?
She nearly scared my dog Toto half to death today, shooing him away with her broom.
That witch of a neighbor. She ain't coming here, is she, Dorothy?
For goodness sake, Zach, she can't hurt you. Have some courage. I'm afraid she'll take Toto away from me.
That sour-faced old maid has no heart.
Don't worry, Dorothy. We will put our heads together on this and use our brains.
It's not just brains that count. You gotta use your heart, kid.
Oh, there she comes now.
And your courage. Don't let that stupid old crapable try and bully you.
Oh, she's come. What do I do? There you are, my pretty little neighbor. Hello, Miss Gulch. Where's your uncle? Henry! Henry! Where are you? Oh, afternoon, Miss Gulch. I need to see your eyes right away. It's about Dorothy. Dorothy? What has she done? I'll tell you what she's done. I can barely walk from the bite of my leg. You mean to say Dorothy bit you? No, I was just... No, that scraggly little dog of hers.
You bit Toto?
No, of course she didn't. Toto bit her. Is that so?
Henry and I will make sure that Dorothy does not go near your property, Miss Gulch.
That dog is a menace to our community.
Menace? No, he isn't. Toto was just scared.
I'm taking it to the sheriff right now. That dog needs to be put away.
Oh no, I'll not let you take him.
Where is the dog? Get him to me.
Oh no, I'll not let you take him away.
Is that so? Then I'll be back with the sheriff and the warrant. You'd better keep that girl under control. And that little dog too. I'm going for now, but I'll be back.
Oh, Uncle Henry, you won't let her take Toto, will you?
Oh, Dorothy, don't you worry. I'll do what I can.
That old Miss Gulch, she blows in from the west like a real wicked witch.
Please, nobody is to be talking about our neighbors that way. Dorothy, you need to be good to people.
But Aunt Em,
Dorothy!
she must not take Toto away.
Even if she does, you need to agree to it.
Come on now, let's all get to work.
I'll not allow him to be taken. I'll take him to another land.
Dorothy, now run along and just find yourself a place where you won't be filling your head with any more crazy ideas or falling into any more trouble. Please go now.
Place where there isn't any trouble? Do you suppose there is such a place? There must be. It's not a place you can get to by a boat or a train. It's far, far away, over the moon and over the rain.